That's freaking awesome.
Have you ever stumbled upon a hidden treasure? Well, I sure did. It all started when I found this beauty for free on the internet. A tuned Saab 9.5 2.3-liter turbo. Sitting there, waiting for me. The excitement. She needed a good wash. Cleanliness is next to carliness, they say. But wait, there was a tiny problem. She just wouldn't start. So I put on my detective hat and decided to investigate the fuel system. I checked the fuel pump. And to my relief, it seemed to be doing its job. Good pump, you've got this. Next up, the fuel filter. It was old, rusty, and definitely not in the mood for filtering anymore. So I replaced it with a generic filter that didn't fit in the original mount. But hey, it did the trick. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it happened. The moment we've all been waiting for. The car started. The engine roared to life. And I couldn't help but feel like a champion. Free car, meet Mr. Fix-It. But guess what? Our story doesn't end here, folks. Oh no, no, no. This is just the beginning of our rollercoaster ride. There were more problems lurking under the hood. One fault at a time. We'll conquer them all. As I delved deeper into the car, I stumbled upon some hidden treasures.
Here we got a lot of cassettes. That's awesome. Got them for free. And here's one of the cassettes. You can put them in, but it doesn't play.
Old cassettes, long forgotten melodies, and a stereo that decided to take a vacation. But who needs music when you've got a smoke symphony from your Saab?
That's freaking awesome.
Now when I revved the engine and let go of the throttle, the car let out a symphony of smoke and surprise. Time for a test drive, my friends.
Oh yeah, we have some flowers here. Almost hitting the flowers. Let's go for a spin. Looks like I hit my toolbox. It's really quick, this car. It's like a freaking rally car, especially in these woods. The speedo doesn't work and we have lots of lights.
The car performed like a champion on the road. Sure, the idle was a bit high, but boy did she have power.
Let's go! Man, this car is quick. I never had a car that's like this quick. And it's so comfortable. It's like a Saab. It doesn't have any wipers, so don't use those. It will just scratch the whole windshield.
Take a look at the exterior, my friends.
One headlight working. It's only like position light, but that's fine.
It's a mixed bag of beauty and rust. From the front, she's a stunner.
Fine rims. They're even clean on this side.
From the back, well, let's just say she likes to show off her rustic side. A unique blend.
This is like really weird. What is this? But never mind. Look at that fat exhaust. Freaking awesome.
Oh, did I mention the smoke?
It's not so much smoke anymore.
Even when the engine warms up, she still likes to make her presence known.
Okay. It's quite smoky actually.
It's like having a car with a built-in smoke machine. Who needs a disco when you've got a Saab? Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for episode 2 of The Free Saab Chronicles.
Mileage isn't moving, speedo doesn't work, we have something, traction control is off, some warning, the brakes, I don't know what that means, but hey, it could be because of the ABS. Engine light, and we need to refuel. It even has like air condition, but it doesn't work. You have like this, you can decide what temperature you want to have. It's freaking awesome. Okay, that was fun. So this was my toolbox, and this is what happens when you get too excited with the Saab. Tools are everywhere and it's like a million pieces. It's gonna take me like 2 hours to sort this out.
We've only just begun this wild and unpredictable journey. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride.